the beginning of the unit, you were shown a demonstration where aluminum foil was added to copper chloride. As we watched, the aluminum foil and the copper chloride began to change. The once blue liquid had turned gray and cloudy, and a red solid formed that sank to the bottom. If we were to create a model of this experiment, we would start with models of copper chloride, which have one copper atom and two chlorine atoms each. We'd also need models of aluminum atoms. After they've reacted, they've rearranged to form aluminum chloride, which has aluminum and three chlorines on each, and copper atoms. For the assessment, you will be asked to model this reaction the same way we did with other reactions during the unit. You will need to cut them out of paper. You will be given the structures of the atoms before and a copy for you to cut apart and assemble into the atoms that come afterwards. You'll be given a complete set of instructions that will tell you how to assemble the products so that you can finish this model. Once you've done that, you will need to use that model to write a word equation to describe the reaction between aluminum and copper chloride. You will also need to produce a chemical equation to describe this reaction as well. Once you have done that, you will need to write an explanation to answer the question, did a chemical reaction occur when we placed aluminum foil in copper chloride? As you write this response, you'll need to make sure that your claim is clear and complete and answers the question we are asking. You will need to include at least one property in your evidence to show that that property changed. You will also need to demonstrate how the atoms rearranged by describing your model and using the equation. To explain your reasoning, you'll need to link your claim to your evidence by using the definition of a chemical reaction and explain that connection. We would like you to use Google Docs to write this response and share the document with your teacher as soon as you begin.